Huh.
Next.
27.
28.
Huh.
29.
30. 29 and
30.
30. Super. So
He knows
Manasa,
up
count
to
from
20,
20.
ma'am.
Yeah.
He knows up to 20. After 20, he don't know.
No problem, ma'am. So
Uh,
yes, teach him from there. Okay.
yeah.
21 to 30. Okay.
Even alphabets also Z, up to Z he know, but in between that one letter he missing. So like that he know.
Okay. No problem. Rutvik, I give you an alternative. So learn the alphabet song: A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and G. Okay.
Then
So hereafter, you take this song to yes, remember the alphabets. Okay, Ritvik. Be on mute, dear. Manasa, Manasa, count from 21 to 30, dear. 21.
Okay. 21, 22, 22,
Huh,
23, 24,
huh,
25,
huh,
26,
huh,
27,
huh,
28,
huh,
29,
huh.
30.
Very good. Super. Prisha, count from 21 to 30.
21, 22, 26, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Very good. Super, Prisha. Nitulan,
Yes, ma'am.
count from 21 to 30, dear. Come on.
21, 28,
21,
23,
22.
25, 26,
Aye.
7, 8, 9, 11.
29. So, cholo. Say,
So, Unar, what is Allah? Come on, join with me. 21, 22,
22,
23.
Ma'am, see, is saying, ma'am.
Come on.
சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க.
21,
சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க.
20,
21,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 40,
20,
29.
9,
30.
13.
Super, Nidula. Very good. So, Sattama Saladana Nayanak Geko. Okay, very good. Shishan, count from 20. Good morning. Count from 21 to 30, dear. 21,
21, sir.
21, 22, 22, 21,
23,
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
30,
30. Very good. Pranav, count from 21 to 30, dear. 21, 1 I can't hear anything. Pranav, see, cool and tell me properly from 21 to 30. Come on. Come near to the mic. 21.
கண்ணாடி
21. Huh. Hmm. Good morning, Nitwin. 29 and 30. Very good. So tomorrow again, Pranav will tell. Okay, from 21 to 30. Next, Jacinta. Count from 21 to 30, Jacinta.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
26.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Very good. Arya.
1, 2, 3,
Arya,
4,
count from 21 to. Oh,
1,
dear,
2,
21 இந்த போறோம் அண்ணா
21 ல இருந்து போங்க. 21 to 30.
21,
21.
22, 23, 24, 25,
Huh.
27,
26.
29, 29, 30.
29 and 30. Very good. Superb. Next is Nithwin. Nithwin, start counting from 21 to 30.
21, 20,
Ah.
30. 30,
Good morning, Hitesh.
24, 25, 26, 27, 28,
29,
29.
30.
30.
Very good. Sai Priyan,
Yes, ma'am, சொல்லுங்க. 121.
start from 21.
32, 32,
சொல்லுங்க.
30,
34.
32,
Huh.
32,
Next. 25. அப்புறம் next.
அப்புறமா
Next.
36, 37,
சொல்லுங்க.
20.
29
39,
and 30.
and 39.
Very good. But Sai Priyan, again you will tell from 21 to 30 tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, ma'am,
Next.
சொல்லுங்க.
Ma'am.
Yes. Hiteshri, count from 21 to 30.
From 21.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Very good. So, okay, we will start. We'll start with the kids anthem. Come on, come to the posture, everybody. Stand up. You have to keep your right hand over your left chest. Everybody stand up. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, good morning. And the warm-up activity. One minute. So today we'll be having different form of activity. Okay. Everybody sit down. Shakadudu. One set. Shakadudu. Shakadudu. We'll do that activity. Sit down. Everybody. So okay, now let's do count. Let's do jump for 10 counts. Come on, everybody, stand up. Stand up, everybody. Jump. Same from 1 to 3. Okay, from 21 to 30. Come on, start. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Yes. Relax. So relax. For relaxing, go and drink a glass of water. Come back, children. We'll be having attendance then. Answer to your attendance, dears. Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya.
Drink water.
Santosh. Pranav. Arya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Sai Priyan.
Yeah, ma'am.
Manasa.
Here I am.
Jacinta.
Here I am, ma'am.
Prisha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Sishant.
Here I am, ma'am.
Hitayshri.
Ma'am.
Nidulan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Rutvik. Rutvik.
Here I am, ma'am.
Nitveen.
Here I am, ma'am.
Yes. Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya.
Here I am, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good. So resume back to your places. We are having, yes, we'll start with numeracy. Okay, that is maths. So yesterday we had learned more or less. Today we are going to learn a new topic called greater or lesser. Greater or lesser. The more or less and the greater and lesser is almost same. More and less we will tell whether it is more or less by counting the things, counting the number of things. We will tell this side it has more number of items, this side we has less number of items. But when it comes to the greater and smaller, will not be having any items to count. We'll be having the number alone. Number alone. So for example, I will tell you. One moment. See, first I have two numbers. One is 5 and 3. You have to tell which is greater from this. Greater means periya number. Lesser means chinna number. Smaller number. Greater means bigger number. We are going to find which is greater number and which is lesser number. How will you find? For 5. So first I will be putting a standing line. 2 standing lines first. So and then 1 minute. This is for 5 and this is for 3. So consider I am having some number of beads. One side I am having 5 number of beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Coming to this side, 3, only 3 there, no? So let's put 3 beats alone. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now one side I'm having 5 number of beats and another side I'm having 3 number of beats. Now we are going to find which is greater. Let's do this.
5. Very good. Very good.
See, please be on mute. Let's find which is greater. So here we have 1. Yes, here too we have 1 beat. Let's cross it. Coming to the second beat. Here also we have second beat. So cross it. And next beat, yes, 1. And here too we have. But think about these two. We have no more here. No more this side. But this side we have 2 more. 2 more. That is 2 extra. So which one is greater now? Which one has more number of beats then? Is 5. So number 5 is greater than number 3. Number 5 is greater than number 3. Okay. So one more example I will give you. So I have 1 and 2. So from this we are going to find which one is greater number. Same thing. Put a standing line for beats. Here two standing line for two numbers. Okay. Here 1, here 2. So for 1, we'll be putting only 1 beat. For 2, we'll be putting 2 beats here. 1 and 2 beats. Now, let's cross. So here you have 1. Here also you have 1. But here coming to the side, no beats. But here you have 1 more extra. 1 more. So which one is greater now? Which number is greater? Try answering. Which number is greater? Yes, number 2 is greater because here 1 more is extra. Okay. So this is how you are going to find the greater and lesser number. See, one hand. Another one easy example. Show me your 2 hands. In one hand, you're going to show 2 fingers. In another hand, you're going to show 3 fingers. So which number is greater now? 3 or 2?
3.
3. See, if you fold 1 finger from this side, we'll fold 1 from here too. Second finger and second finger will be having 1 extra. So number 3 is greater than. Greater. Okay. So like the same idea, we'll complete the worksheet. I'll tell which worksheet to take. One sec. Yes. D30MT worksheet. D30MT worksheet. D30MT worksheet. This is that worksheet. So have you all taken? From this, we are going to find which one is greater, which one is lesser. So here you have take the first set, blue color set. One side we have, in one balloon we have number 9, in another balloon we have number 13. So let's find which one is greater. Which one is greater, dear? 9 and 13, right? Okay, we will do the same thing. Yes, 13. Yes, we will do the same thing by using the beats. So we'll be clear one more time. So 2 standing lines. One is for 9 and one is for 13. Consider this is for 9 and this is for 13. So let's put beads now. 9 number of beads one side. You try putting these beads in your slates, no problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One side 9 beads. And here 13 beads we have to put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. By seeing itself, you can say which side has more number of beads, right? So see here, this standing line has not filled, but here it's overflowing. So which number is greater here now? Is 13. 13. See, more than until 9. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So till 9, we have this side also. After 9, we have 4 more. 4 more. So then the number 13 is greater. Greater. Okay. Number 13 is greater. Greater. In such way, we'll complete all the numbers. Now, yes, Manasa will answer. One side we have 12 and another side we have 18. Take the green color set here. Which number is greater? 12 or 18?
18.
So after 12, yes, 18. After 12, we have 4 more. See, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 more we have to count. So 18 is correct. You are going to color these balloons, but color it after the class overs. Now just put a small tick near to that. Okay. Next, Hitaishri. Hitaishri,
Which one?
come to this set, dear. This set. You have 2 and 3. Which one is greater from this 2 number? 2 or 3? 3. Very good. After 2, you will be having one more to count 3, right? So 3 is greater. Very good. Put a small tick near to it. After the class overs, you can color it. Okay. Next is, yes. Sai Shivanya, answer me. And 20 one side in the yellow color set. Which one is greater number?
Which one is greater, 17 or 20? How many lollipops you want, 17 or 20?
17.
Oh,
2.
20. Yes?
20. See, after 17, 18, 19, 20. 3 more are there for 20. So, 20 is the greater number.
Greater number.
Okay. Greater number. Okay. Yes. Next. Who will answer for this question? Pranav. You're having 11 one side and 10 another side. Which number is greater?
11.
Pranav? 11. So after 10, one more you have to count that for 11. So 11. Yes. Exactly. Ketrichu. Yes. Next is Nithwin. Coming to the last set, the purple color set. 18 and 19. Which one is the greater number?
18 or 19, which is big?
18 or 19.
After 18, how many needs to count? 19?
19. Sorry.
19.
19. Very good. 19 is the greater number. Okay, you just put a small tick near to the greater number. After the class overs, you can color it, yes. So once completed, please fill the date. What is today's date? Is 11. 11 dot 8. Dan, wait. Okay, dear. Please fill the date too. 11.8.2021. So who has completed? Prisha, Dan? Very good, Prisha. Yes, Sishant, Dan, very good. So Sishant colored too, very good. Manasa is Dan, very good. Nidulan, Dan, superb. Sai Shivanya, Dan, very good. Colored too, very good. Sai Priyan completed, very good. Jacinta, very good. Pranav, have you completed, dear? Yes, very good. Very good, Pranav. Superb. Arya, have you completed, dear?
There are two, but here I can finish this one and I can complete the tie shape. Okay?
Okay. So Rutvik, have you completed? Rutvik and who else? Yes, others have completed.
No.
Very good. Very good, Letwin. Yes, Rutvik?
I'm not.
No. So complete it. Complete it.
Still I'm complete.
So have you all completed?
No.
Shall we move to the next, dears?
No.
Yes, super. Arya, I think you have completed it, right? Super. Super, Arya. Yes, very good. You can color it and show it to me later. Okay, picture it and share it to us. Now, next thing. Literacy, that is English time. English. So what are the letters that we have completed lastly is I and J. Letter I and J. We are going to complete a worksheet for I and J. D32LT worksheet. D32LT worksheet. Take your worksheet number D32LT. D32LT. Have we all taken? Yes. Let's complete this worksheet for I and J. So you're going to first trace over these letters and going to find which object is for which letter. Let's write this. I, small letter I, for small letter I, one small standing line and one dot on top of it. Okay. Next is for J, one standing line followed by a up curve and one small dot on top of it. Small letter J. Again, we have one small letter I, one standing line and one small dot on top of it. Next is, again we have small letter J, one standing line and one up curve followed by a up curve. After that, one dot on top of it. You will be having your small letter J. So now tracing is over. Let's find which is for which one. I for igloo, not Cap. Cap is for letter C. I sound is E, right? I for igloo. So take this for now, later you can color it. Take this is for now and later you can color it. Okay. Next, Hiteshri. J for mango or jug. Which one is right? J for
Jug.
jug. Jug is correct. So put a small tick near to it. Nidulan. I for lion or ink. Which one is correct? Ink. I for ink because lion is for lion. Okay. Ink is the correct one. Next is Prisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. J for jelly or house. Which one is correct?
J for jelly or house. J for jelly or house. What? J for
Jelly.
Jelly is correct. Very good. So put a small tick near to it because house is for H. House. Okay, jelly is the correct. So put a small tick near to it. Later you can color and share it to me. 11 and fill with the date too. 8 2021. I think you all have completed this. Just a tick only, no? Tracing the letters and tick.
Ma'am, I want to color now.
What? Okay. Complete. So Arya wants to color now itself. We'll be having more worksheets here. So later all together you can color. Okay, you'll be having many things to color later. Okay. So now I have one more worksheet too for I and J. I'll be telling which is that. Day 33 LT worksheet. D33 LT worksheet. So this is so easy. So again we are going to trace over these dotted lines. One small standing line, one dot on top of it, small letter I. And for J, one standing line and one up curve, followed by up curve and one small dot on top of it is small letter J. I for igloo and I for just learned no ink. Just saw this. Next J for jacket. J for jellyfish. Just matching. Match this and fill the date. 11 dot 8 dot 21. Ma'am has filled from my side. Have you all completed? So if completed, let me know. Yes, very good, Sai Shivanya. Let's play a game once done. Very good, Prisha. Very good, Sai Priyan. Very good, Sishan. Superb. Manasa done. Very good, dear. Very good, Nithwin. Very good, Nidulan. Very good, Jacinta. Very good, Arya. Super. And Hiteshri, Pranav, have you two completed?
Filling date.
Writing date. Okay, Pranav? What are you doing, Pranav? You two writing date. Done. Okay, come on. Let's all play again. Okay? Simon says. Completed. Very good, Rutvik. Yes, come on. Simon says. Everybody stand up. First, let's play Simon says. Simon says, jump. Yes. Simon says, nod your head. Simon says, stop nodding. Simon says, sit. Simon says, blink your eyes. Simon says, show your tongue out. Simon says, jump again. Jump, 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 jump. Yes. Simon says, nod your head. Simon says, stop. Simon says, stretch your neck. Simon says, touch your toes. Touch your toes. Toes, where is the toe? Simon says, touch your toe. Toe. Yes, very good. Super. Simon says, clap your hands. Simon says, tap your cheek. Simon says, jump. Now, Simon says, get me an object that starts with the letter J. Simon says, get me an object that starts with letter J. Go. Fast. J. Jillian jam, jiggling all the way. So get me an object for J.
நீ என்ன போட்டுக்க சொல்லு ஜம்ப் சூட்
Oh, that is why Sashwana is standing. Very good. Jumpsuit.
ஜன்னலா
Jannal in Tamil. Yes, Prisha. What's that? Huh? Jam. Very good. Arya, what's that?
சொல்லு
Zam. Very good. Hiteshri, what is that? Jam. Super. Rutvik, what is that? Jelly. Very good. Nidwin, what is that? Jelly. Very good. Sai Priyan, what is it? Jam. Very good. Pranav, what is it? Jug. Very good. Nidulan, what is that? Jug. Very good. Sishant, what have you brought? Jacket. Very good. Yes. Jacinta, what's that? Very good. Manasa, what have you brought? Manasa is finding. Okay. Jeep. Very good, Nidwin. Yes, Hiteshri, I've seen your jam already. Okay. Yes. Jeep for Japan. Superb. Nidulan have taken Jeep again. Superb. So yes, till then not J for. Simon says jump again. Simon says jump. Simon says hop. How will you hop? Yes, hop. Very good. Yes, Manasa, what is that? You're in mute, dear. What's that? Juice. Very good. So now everybody stand up. Simon says, get me an object for letter I. Letter I. Starts with letter I. I for? Get me an object for I. Die. Prisha. So everybody, come on, rush. Get me an object for I. So what's that, Prisha?
Say again.
I for ice cream.
Very good. Srishant, what's that?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Very good. Hiteshri, what's that?
I for ice cream.
Very good. Super. Sai Shivanya, what's that? Ice bag. Super. Sarya, what have you brought? I for? Unmute yourself, dear. One by one, I'll come. What's that?
I saw little man.
Okay, I for Iodex. Okay. So yes. Nithvin, what's that?
Ice cubes.
Ice cube.
Ice cubes. Very good. Pranav, what's that? Iron box. I for iron box. Very good. Cyprian, what's that? Cyprian? Okay. Cyprian, what's that, Cyprian?
I for ID card solle.
ID card. Very good. Super. ID card. Netherlands, what's that? Ice cream. Superb. Hiteshri, what have you brought?
I bought ice cream.
Ice cream. Yes, I have seen already. No, I forgot it. Sorry. Rutvik, what's that, Rutvik?
What is that?
Ice cream.
Very good. Cyprian over, Pranav over, Sai Shivanya. Sai Shivanya, what have you brought for I? Ice bag, right? Yes, super. Manasa? What's that now, Manasa? What have you brought? I for? Manasa!
I for crayon.
I for?
Indigo. Color. Indigo color.
Indigo color. Okay, yes, indigo color. Super. Whom else did I miss? Jacinta, what's that, Jacinta? Jacinta? Hey, Jacinta, am I being audible?
சொல்லு.
I for indigo.
Super, Manasa. I for indigo. Very good. Jacinta, can you hear me? Okay, I think done. So Simon says it's over.
Hello. What are you?
Lastly, Simon says keep all the objects back. Simon says keep all the objects back to their places. Okay, dear. So now we are going to learn a new topic in concept flowers. Flowers we are going to learn today. Okay, in the last classes we had learned parts of a plant, types of a plant, and today we are going to learn flowers, right? So flower is also a part of a plant, right? A flower will also be there in a plant. We had learned, no, in a part of plant flower is also there. So today we are going to learn some of the flowers. Now I am going to present a PPT. From that we are going to learn. 1 minute. One minute, dears. Yes. So today we are going to learn a topic called flowers. Here are many flowers. From this, which flower can you people recognize? Can you name any one of the flower from here? Come on. Rose, sunflower, yes, hibiscus. Some of the very familiar. Yeah, very good. Rose, super. Some of the very familiar flower we know about, right? Rose and sunflower. Today we are going to learn some more flowers with its name. Okay. Next is, first one is lily. Friends, this is a lily flower. Look at it. Lilies are usually white in color. Some of the lilies may in different colors like yellow, pink, red and orange. Usually, mostly will be having white color lilies. Sometimes we'll be having different color lilies like yellow, pink, red and orange. Okay. Lily lives 1 or 2 weeks, then it will dry. Then it will dry and go off. Okay. We may get oil also from the lilies. We may get oil also from the lilies, which will be useful for different purposes. These flowers, the lily flower is being useful in our goodness also. Lily flower. Okay. Next, lily gives us medicinal benefits too. Aster. This flower is called aster. Aster. The name of this flower is aster. Aster comes in many color, including pink, lavender, red, purple, and white. Pink color, lavender color, red color, purple, and white. They mostly lives 5 to 12 days. That too lives for 2 weeks. After that, this flower will also dry. Okay. Yes. See, the center part of this flower will always be in yellow color. The center part. Can you see the yellow color here? This will remain yellow always for all color flower. Aster. All aster type flower. For all color aster type flower. This is the flower called aster. Next, what flower is this? You may know this flower. What flower is this, children?
Marigold.
Marigold. Exactly. This is a marigold. Marigold. It usually comes in 2 different colors, yellow and orange. Yellow and orange. Marigold has many petals. That is why it looks like that. Okay, it looks like a bunch. It has many petals in it. Okay, it gives a strong fragrance and it is being used in this making of skin creams. This is a flower named marigold. Names as marigold. Next is daisy. Daisy. Here is a flower called daisy. This flower always comes in white color and center part it will be in yellow color. The center part will be in yellow color. Yellow color in center and the petals will be in white color. Okay. Most of the times will come in white color. This name of this flower is daisy. Next flower is orchid. Orchid. Purple color flower. Purple color flower. Mostly this flower will be used for the decorations and all. Will not stick this flower over our head. We'll use this orchid flower for the decorations. Okay. Next, finally, yes. What flower is this, children? What flower is this?
Hibiscus.
Exactly. This is hibiscus. Hibiscus is a very big flower. Yes, you would have noticed that the flower itself will be very big. Very big. It's a widely cropped flower. This flower will be in a bright pink or red color. This hibiscus has so many medicinal benefits. so many medicinal benefits. So 6 flowers we had learned. We'll do the recap of such flowers again. Lily flower, look at it. No, lily has very few petals. You can count the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 petals are there. So it is a very few petaled flower. Lily. Next, aster flower. Aster flower. Look at it. No, there are so many petals. You can't even count. Many petals are there for aster type of flower. Pink color flower will be having yellow color part in between. Next, we all knows this type of flower, marigold. Marigold, this also has so many petals. That is why this flower looks like a bunch of petals. Okay, marigold. Marigold. Next comes here, daisy. Daisy. This flower's name is daisy. This flower is also having many petals. Many petals. Daisy. Orchid. Orchid. Next is the purple color flower. Purple. Purple color flower. Orchid. Orchid. Orchid will be having only less petals. Few petals. Few petals only will be there for orchid. And finally comes to the hibiscus. Hibiscus will also be having only some number of petals, few petals, and it has a lots and lots of medicinal benefits. And finally, one more thing about flower, children. We should not pluck the flowers from the tree. Simply, we can pick the flowers that are fallen on the ground. Okay, do not pluck the flowers, do not pluck anything from the plant. Okay, let it grow as much as it can. Okay, dears. So yes, we had learned some of the flower types today. What are the flowers? Hibiscus, orchid, daisy, what else? Marigold, aster, and lily. 6 types of flower we had learned today. Let's complete a worksheet. One minute.
Ma'am, I also have shirt in my.
Yeah, you too have many flowers in your dress. Yes, very good. D32 CT worksheet. D32. Day 32 CT worksheet. We are going to label the names for each flower. Have you all taken? So what is this first flower? Sai Shivanya, what flower is this?
Ma'am, we don't have this sheet actually in that page. We are having this.
Sorry, okay. So you will be having in the same series WSH01.
It is actually the next page, ma'am.
Yes, I think next page.
Okay, okay.
So D32 CTWSHO1.
See, what flower is this?
What flower is this, Sai Shivanya? First one?
Lily.
Lily. So Lily has given here for number 1. So take this number 1 and put it here. 1, number 1. Okay, next. Arya, what flower is this? Arya, purple color flower with yellow color in the middle, in the center. What flower is this?
What flower is this?
Lily.
This is lily. What is this?
Hibiscus.
No, dear. It's an aster. Aster flower. Aster.
Aster.
Aster. Aster has given us 2, number 2. So let's put this number 2 here. Okay? This is a aster type of flower. Next, Hiteshri. What flower is this? White color petals and yellow color in the middle. What is this?
Pizzles.
Daisy.
Daisy, very good. So Daisy has given us third. So yes, you have to put number 3 in the box given near to it for Daisy. So Daisy flower. Excuse me. Next, Jacinta. What flower is this, Jacinta?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Very good. Hibiscus is here. What number is given here?
4.
Very good. You have to put number 4 over here. Very good. Next. Excuse me. Prisha, what flower is this? The next one to the hibiscus. What flower is this?
Marigold.
Very good. Marigold is here. Excuse me. What is the number given near to it?
5.
5. Very good. So put 5 over here. Okay. Rutvik, what flower is this? The last one. Purple color flower.
This flower. What flower? Flower name. What flower?
This is orchid. Orchid flower. Okay, orchid. So orchid has given here as a 6th name. So please put number 6 over here. Okay. So now please fill the date and complete this page. .8 .2021.
Computer man.
Yes, completed. Very good. Very good, Nithvin. Very good, Sai Shivanya. So many of you have completed and some of you have still not completed. Let's look for them. Very good, Seshan. Very good, Manasa. Very good, Hiteshri. Sai Priyan. Very good. Very good, Pranav. Super, dear. Very good, Prisha.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Nidulan. Jacinta, Arya, have you two completed?
Completed.
Very good, Arya. Jacinta, have you completed? Yes. Okay, then very good. All have completed. Now it's time for us to recap the rhymes. Okay, what rhymes did we learn yesterday? Vegetables, vegetables. Come on, let's all sing the rhymes together by doing the action to it. Okay? Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the gardens and some from the fields. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat and put them in the salad. They are healthy to eat. One more time, huh? Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the fields. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat and put them in the salad. They are healthy to eat. One more time, one more time. Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Yes, Prisha.
I want to sing.
Yes, come on, join with me. Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the gardens and some from the fields. Buy them and chop them and cook. Yes, Hiteshri. Cook them to eat and put them in the salads. They are healthy to eat. One last time. Vegetables, vegetables, fresh and healthy. Some from the garden and some from the fields. Buy them and chop them and cook them to eat. Put them in the salad. They're healthy to eat. Okay, they're healthy to eat. So I had sent the audio of this rhymes in the group. Do check it. So that's it for today. We'll see you all by tomorrow at the same time. Do explore all the things that we had learned today in the classroom. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Welcome. Bye bye. Bye. Ruth.
Ma'am, Rashita ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, he is not listening to write for writing purpose.
Okay, that will also be like slowly he will do it, ma'am. Initially, he was not at all sitting. After some days, he was crying. Now he can sit for the whole hour. I'm so happy that he's sitting for the whole hour, and yes, listening to us. No, without crying.
Yeah, but